Hi friends, this is called garage parking. Just now we started. We can see in this video how to do this by looking both mirrors, right and left mirrors. Slowly enter into the slot, brake. Again, we have to move forward, turn fully left, enter into the left wing, then again put it in reverse mode, coming into back, then looking both mirrors, we have to align our vehicle accordingly. Slowly enter into the slot by looking both mirrors, then again forward, turn fully right, enter into the right wing. Within 3 minutes we have to complete the task. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.